All right, we're going to move along now from the basics of the atomic theory because you see, we now know what an atom is. What is it built of? Sorry, it's got a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, protons, neutrons. Around the outside are going to be your electrons. Now remember, we have different types of elements. Now, there has to be a way to account for them. And why are they different? Well, remember, I said to you earlier that if you have an atom, let's go this time, if you have an atom of sodium, for some reason, that's got to be different than an atom of aluminum. Now, without getting too much into this right now, in grade 9, I hope that you were introduced to the periodic table. And again, you'll see that I'm referring to the data booklet that I hope you have printed off by now. This is a great version of the periodic table because it basically shows all the important info that you're going to need from grade 10 to grade 12. Now, who created this? Dmitry Mendeleev created this. He found a way of putting this together based on some properties of atoms. Something to do with number of protons, and I don't want to get into it too much right now. But this periodic table is arranged in a logical order. We have something to do with our vertical columns. That means something. We have something to do with our horizontal periods. You'll also maybe remember something to do with there was metals and nonmetals. There's different groups. You have alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. Now, instead of me telling you about all these right now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to post a really good video that breaks down the different arrangement of the periodic table. Now, right now it's not crucial for me to know why everything is where it is. But what I would like you to do is understand the basics. In this next video, it will talk about some of the why the columns are where they are and what they're called, the periods going sideways, the staircase line. This video is going to really help you understand some of the differences and the reasons why the periodic table is put together the way it is by Dmitry Mendeleev. Oh, and one last thing, it does change over time. He started the format and it keeps building. Anyway, you're going to see after this video, I'm going to have a link posted to a video I'd like you to watch that really breaks this down.